So this is part 3 of how to create a clickable tooltip that we pin into position. So what we're going to focus on are these tooltips here on the left and right side of the chart area. They're being clipped out and we want to fix this. So if you have not followed any of these videos so far of this series, make sure you check out my Patreon page where you can get the source code, or just follow one of these videos here. You can get it as well. Got a question? Put it on Discord. So let's start to look. To do this, we need to work with the chart area, and the chart area is nothing more than these lines where we draw the chart. So let's start to work on that. So we're going to scroll down here and we're going to work on the scales, and sorry, not on the scales, but in this chart object destructuring, and then we're going to say here chart area. This is a very powerful tool that we're going to use now, and we're going to get here the left side and the right side. Basically, we're just getting the pixel coordinate of left and right, and what we want to measure, of course, is are we surpassing the left side here, or are we surpassing the right side? If so, we're going to reposition the coordinates. So to do that, we have these. We're going to scroll down here, and then in here we can just say here maybe it will be a let value, because we can reassign a new value depending on the condition, but we're going to say here x position. So what will be the x position? Well, you can see we have these here. I'm just going to grab this, put it in here, and then we change x position here. Next, we're going to go and we're going down. You see here the caret. Remember, the caret is the triangle here. We don't want to change that. That is already perfectly set. All we want to adjust is the cloud position, moving it more to the left side in this case, or to the right side in that case here. So we'll skip the caret, don't touch that one. So we're going here down, and you can see here, I'm going to copy this, and remember we had here minus 50 built in, and this is now a minus 40. To even it out, I'm going to say plus 10. Very straightforward. Let's do the same here. Plus 10, because this is probably for, well, these are definitely for the circle, shapes, and text. Next here we have the text. Do the same, but now plus 20 instead of minus 30. There we are. Let's save that and refresh and double check if we get interference or anything that we don't want. You can see here everything looks still same. The only difference is we soft coded it. So next, what I want to do here is reassign the value. So we have this, and that's why we are using a let value, so we can reassign it. So we're going to say here if statement, if x position equals what exactly, or not even equal, to say here if the x position is smaller than the left pixel coordinate. This is left, so, and remember this is here, starts here at 100 pixels or minus 50, so it starts somewhere here. So we know it will be lesser than. If that is the case, we can do it here. X position will be what exactly? We'll just say left and then minus 10 pixels. Why 10 pixels? If not, you'll be exactly starting here between. Let me just show you that so you have an understanding of what I mean. Save, refresh. As you can see here, this looks horrendous. We want to make sure it moves a little bit. So we say minus 10. Click now. That looks much better. Alright, same logic we're going to do, but now we're going to do it for the left or for the right side. So we're going to say here right. However, this one is a bit more tricky. Why? If you click on this, this is the right side coordinate of the chart area. However, it starts here, so it is lesser than. However, we know it is 50. So what I'm going to do here, if this is lesser than right, minus 60. If that is the case, then what I'm going to do is give it the right side, and then we're going to put in here minus 90, because the total length of the box is 100. Save this, refresh, click, 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 click. There we are. I think we're good to go. Let's double test this. Yes, that looks all beautiful. And that's it.